When it comes to Google Workspace, I'm a power user.
Maybe a little too powerful.
And when I say power user, I mean across all the Workspace apps. Drive, Chat, Calendar, you name it, I got it down. Through those courses, I learned how to do things like customize what details people can see in my calendar, or how to protect changes from being made to certain cells in Google Sheets, or even how to modify the theme of a Google slide to match my company's visual style.
Yeah, but I can't add a message to a folder in Gmail.
You can. They're just called labels. And V on the keyboard is a quick way to add one to an email.
Okay, but what about quickly adding a date to Google Docs without having to type it out?
Smart chips. You can type the @ symbol for a quick and convenient way to add things like a date, or even link to people, files, calendar events, places, and more, all without leaving your document.
Well, what about...
I'm gonna stop you right there, because if you're asking these questions, then the Workspace courses are right up your alley. Check them out now and become a power user like me.
Honey, how do I move something to a different folder on Google Drive?
1 second, Mom, I'm doing a video. Amateurs.